Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of comfort food with the ultimate guide to the best chili recipe. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is guaranteed to warm your soul. So, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. Before we jump into the cooking process, let me share why this chili recipe is so special. It's packed with flavor, easy to make, and customizable to suit your taste buds. Plus, it's a one-pot wonder, making cleanup a breeze. So, without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Here are the stars of our show: ground beef, kidney beans, diced tomatoes, onions, garlic, and a blend of spices. We'll also be using beef broth to enhance the depth of flavor. Feel free to tweak the ingredients based on your preferences. Maybe add some jalapenos for an extra kick or swap out the beef for turkey. First things first, let's infuse our chili with some aromatic goodness. Sauté diced onions and minced garlic in a bit of oil until they're golden brown and fragrant. This forms the flavor base of our chili. Now, let's add our ground beef. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's nicely browned. This step not only adds richness but also builds layers of flavor in our chili. Time to spice things up. Add a perfect blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, and oregano. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. We want this chili to be perfect for you. Next, let's build the foundation of our chili. Pour in those diced tomatoes and beef broth. This is where the magic happens. The tomatoes bring acidity, and the broth adds richness. Now, the secret to a flavorful chili is patience. Let it simmer on low heat, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. This is the time to grab your favorite toppings: cheese, sour cream, green onions, and get them ready for the finishing touch. As we approach the finish line, let's not forget our kidney beans. Drain and rinse them before adding to the chili. They bring texture and heartiness to our dish. Give your chili a final taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Now, let's serve it up. Ladle that goodness into bowls, and don't forget those toppings. The more, the merrier. And there you have it, the best chili ever. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes, and let me know in the comments how your chili turned out. Until next time, happy cooking!